Previously on The Cooking Man.
Good afternoon. We are up a bit late today, but we are going to the Hong Kong park to see what are the I forgot. I am with Dania, and she has been here once, so she's a bit helping me with the directions and getting to places today. We're going to the botanical garden inside and see what is there. Really refreshing and away from the humid air of Hong Kong, and it's really all artificial kind of waterfall, everything quite nice. That was a nice store for free, no money, like it's all free. So there is an enclosed space with many birds, like in the park, which is really nice. There are fences and you can walk inside and then say hello to the birds. I mean, that's the artificial lake, so it looks quite real actually. All well dressed, like a tie. I really like
Thank you.
the suit. Yeah, really nice. And your English is awesome. I mean, like, yeah, I like it. Yeah. Next up, we are going to the goldfish market. Let's go. Hello. Hey, how? Oh, doji. Well, on the way out of the market, there are many women like relaxing here. We just asked, and today it's their day off, so they're working as housekeeper or babysitter, and today is the day off, so they're relaxing and then having a day off with friends. Hong Kong is full of like small street markets, and we found like another one. So we are going and then checking what is inside. So what I found unique here in the market is like people explaining to the crowd what are the products are doing, or explaining the product. This large number of skyscrapers in a tiny land gives a really shiny look to Hong Kong that other cities they don't have. We are going on the second floor of the bus. I have to see that the buses are really clean, like Japanese level of cleanness. I am really impressed. Wow, I guess that's the place that we should have come in the first place. The view is absolutely amazing. So many lights and then buildings. Ah, that's amazing. Okay guys, I'm gonna go around and take some pictures. See you guys tomorrow. Yeah.